Hello, I'm Chef Paul. Welcome to the World Food Studio. Today we are going to do a Waldorf salad, a very traditional recipe, first served 1893 in the famous Waldorf Astoria Hotel. What we need is some celery, some lemon, some fresh apples, some walnuts, raisin, a little bit of white vinegar, and we need some mayonnaise. Now first we're going to prepare our apples, and for this recipe we can leave the skin on. And we want to cut some even cubes. Beautiful. Okay, the next step will be our celery. And we just want to cut that into some diagonal pieces. Beautiful. Now we have some beautiful walnuts which we need to roast a little bit. Make sure your pan is very hot. And we just want to roast them because the aroma comes out a little bit more. We don't want them too dark. We just want them nice golden brown. So we can chop them up nicely and put on the salad. We also have our raisin. Then we can add white pepper. A little bit salt and a dash of white vinegar. Nice. Our walnuts are almost done. So in our salad we can add the mayonnaise. And the juice of half a lemon. Beautiful. Now mix that together. And this is a super crunchy salad already. By the time we add in our walnuts, it will be even more crunchy. Okay, our walnuts have a nice color. You always have to be careful, they are very hot. And we just want to chop up some of them. Roughly is okay, it doesn't have to be so fine. Okay. Nice and super crunchy. Going to add that to our salad and mix that in. Super easy recipe. Alright, all our ingredients are inside the salad. We added our nuts for the extra crunch and we are ready to serve. Beautiful Waldorf salad, a perfect salad on a very hot day.